Hey. What's going on?
680 Oh, no, it's broken. I don't know if it's recent. Oh, shit!
Oh my God!
Flashbang! 687, 680, we have flashbangs going off, maybe? Captain's up there. Captain's up there. Come on. Get down.
Get me a fucking ambulance. You need an ambulance?
87, 680, we need an ambulance now.
Is it my son?
87, watch out for the windows.
Is it my son?
Out of the windows.
686, 680.
687, 680, we need an ambulance now. Where are you? Are you hit with a flashbang or bullet?
Bullet in the face.
87680, do you copy? We need an ambulance. Sit down, sit down. Here. Oh. Hold on. Sit down. We're going to the hospital. Come on, sit down.
Oh, shot in the fucking arm.
Sit.
Go. Just go.
87680, I'm good. 482, he's hit. Unlock it. Are you hit? Stay. You need a tourniquet.
Just go.
Where are the lights on?
Give me the radio. Relax. It doesn't do any good.
Why is it so turned off?
680.
What do you need? I'll do it on my portable.
Pay attention.
I got it. I'm transporting the
Slow the fuck down.
No, we're
Go to
fine.
the hospital on the right.
We're fine.
Hospital.
Paul's gonna take the interstate.
No.
Go with that again.
Okay, give me the mic. 82 is hit. I'm taking him to the hospital.
Just pay attention, you know.
I got it.
10-4.
Oh my God.
Which arm? Left?
Both in the face.
I can't believe you got hit.
Don't crash.
I'm not gonna crash. I'm a good driver. It's fine. I got us.
Stop.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
I'm not.
Well, driving is fine. I'm okay. I got it. Is your body cam still on?
680.
You want it off?
682 has been hit.
Just go.
We have one inside, as far as we know, with a weapon. 10-4.
You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
Like you at the fire station at this point then at 10-4. 682 is en route to the cruiser. 10-4.
Keep breathing. Keep breathing. Keep breathing. You're fine. You're fine. You're okay. I know. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay.
Slow down so we don't crash.
We're not gonna crash. I got it. I got it. I got it. It's okay. I got it. You just keep talking. Eyes open. Keep talking. Keep talking.
Fuck.
You're okay. You're okay. It's gonna be okay. You're alright. Keep breathing. Keep talking too. Can you talk to me, please?
Don't worry.
Well, I'm worried about it. Please keep talking. Almost there. You're okay. Alright, we're gonna be okay. You're okay. What the fuck? Claire? Sorry. It's okay. Alright. It's alright. We're almost there. Stay there. Wait, don't get out. Don't get out. Wait. I know. Let me get a wheelchair, okay? Stay right there. No.
Just go. Just let go.
No, I'm not. You have to.
Just let go. Don't.
He's Jason Gray. He's been shot.
I got shot.
A couple of times. Been shot. What is it?
327.73.
327.73.
Right here. Sit right here for me. Where has he been shot?
Everywhere.
I don't know. A couple went off.
Can you make sure that they have the right birthday?
They do. I gave it to him.
Okay. Did this just happen?
Yeah, just barely. Like we just went into the house.
Well, like,